else lately, and she also said that like she really enjoys just like me kind of really going off about something and just like talking and just, that's
I love
funny. Like
that. I'm the
I'm
same.
getting more into the space of doing that to people. Like I used to do it only to you and to Marina and to some other people, but like there's ever more people that are like saying this to me, and then I want to build a bridge between the videos that I'm making, the short videos, and this kind of more long form content.
Right. Uh,
Jupiter, Jupisha.
Jupiter, yeah, he's saying hello.
Okay,
Why don't you introduce yourself, Victor? This is the first time we're actually officially recording, and it's going to be released immediately. And yeah, I just want
fantastic.
everyone to know who you are and what you're working on.
Yeah, my name is Victor, aka Sxmbra, and I'm an artistic researcher, a creative director, and well, here like it's already very right away this kind of thing of like I'm trying to find different names to craft like my professional identity, like to kind of create your own job. And I hate kind of name calling because like creating a name for something kind of like put something in a box and then like you're not able to fluidly reconstruct something or like and but at the same time like if you're ever going to be doing something in this 3D reality with this kind of weird combination of talents and ideas, then you need to be able in some way to kind of give a name to it that people can understand. And that they can hire you as a this or that, like whether that is like in a freelance way, we will get to that later, or like also in a job position way, like
Right, right, right.
yeah. So I'm currently and yeah, like very inspired by this friend of mine called Marjolein Pineapples. She calls herself a futures ecologist. Like she has a like ecology biology background, then went into kind of science communication and infographics, and then from there kind of combined everything back together. And now she's consulting organizations to sort of make a transition or shift in the way how they are structured to prepare for a new type of kind of ecologically conscious society. Like that's and she does that for like schools, for governments, for companies, for like small, medium size, and bigger organizations, etc. And this kind of inspired me. Like she, in a way, is ahead in fairly similar things that I want to focus on, albeit like maybe in a different type of tone or communication. Like we both have our own style and things, and it's close enough to kind of collaborate. And but it's also different. Like I would describe myself as kind of how do you say that? More like a conceptual thinker, and she is more like a workshop giver, or like someone who can tease idea making out of a group of people in a way that she kind of guides the the process in a collective way. And I tend to prefer kind of like smaller groups for like ideation if it's kind of too big right from the start. But I'm trying also to develop this ether method that can be used in a workshop format, but then I maybe like want to do it together with her. But then like sort of for me, it's like the original idea, the spark, the really like blowing the bubble from concept space, and then you can see it, but you can not touch it yet because if you touch it, like it's done again. So then I need other people to make it slightly more solid, and then yet again make that more solid. But well, I'll just like keep blowing bubbles. That's something that I do. Like I'm a conceptual bubble blower. Maybe that's what I should call it. I don't know, but
Cool.
yeah.
That's a lot. And look, the question I have for you is that what inspires you the most at the moment? Which direction are you looking
What?
at? What is the most inspiring to you in the moment? When you wake up, you're like inspired to go towards that direction. What are you creating?